Hey everyone, my name is Sapna and you are watching my village my English. So in this video I am going to discuss the comment of my viewer that ma'am, how much grammar is important to learn English or English language. So really grammar is important to learn English, or can we speak English without grammar? So these are the some basic questions I will discuss in this video. So let us talk about the first thing, that grammar. What is grammar? Grammar tells us about the basic rules of any language, and without the basic rule of any language we cannot speak, the one thing. But again the thing is, then how the person who don't know the basic knowledge of grammar, they are speaking fluent English? How is it possible? This is possible only because of their environment. If you have English, if your environment is surrounded by English, if your parents speak English with you, if you are a product or student of English medium school, in your school your teacher speaks English with you, and with your friends you are speaking English language, then there is no need of grammar. But this is why I am telling this thing to you, because this is only for your communication purpose, only for your speaking purpose. Okay, so if you surrounded with Hindi environment, if your parents speak Hindi with you, your school is Hindi medium, and there is no one with whom you can practice English language. So if you are surrounded by that type of environment, then you must know the some basic rule of grammar. Because if you have the environment, then there is no much, I think there is no need to learn the basic rule of grammar for speaking purpose. So there is two different things. If you have been learning this language for your competitive purpose, then you have to learn all the basic rules of English language. So one thing very important, if you have been learning this language for competitive purpose, automatically if you learnt all the basic rule of grammar, spoken English is very easy for you, because you already know all the basic rules. But if you have been learning this language only for your communication purpose, only as a parent you are facing some problems in the school during your parents teacher meeting, then you must know the basic rules. For example, tenses, modals, prepositions, and some other aspect, but not more. You have to focus, firstly you have to focus on your tenses. After that you will put little effort to other aspect of the English. It will help you to improve your communication skill. So that's why I am telling to you, everything is dependent upon your environment. Grammar, no doubt, without grammar you cannot speak English. But if your environment is totally surrounded by English language, okay. But if your environment is not surrounded by English language, then you must learn the basic rule of grammar, because without it you cannot speak. And spoken English is very easy to speak, to communicate your message with other. It's not a difficult task. But this is because this is our hesitation. We usually speak our mother tongue at home, we usually speak our native language at home. So this is little bit our hesitation, which create hurdles, create obstacles in our path of learning. Otherwise, if you sometime there are so many learners who have the knowledge of basic English grammar, and because they don't think this is to improve your communication skill, So that's why usually we don't put any effort to improve that things. But because this is global world and everyone try to learn this language, and if you have the little bit knowledge of grammar, you can start your speaking English journey. Bit by bit you can add the words, you can learn slowly you can learn the words, sentences, synonyms. So in this way you can improve your communication skill. But the very important thing is that you must start your speaking, because without speaking, if you are not trying to speak English and only focus on the part of grammar, that my grammar is not perfect, I don't know all the rules of the grammar, so that's why I am not be able to speak. So this is your misconception, dear. You just whatever comes in your mind, if you have the 10% knowledge of grammar, then you can start. But the thing is, if you have 10% knowledge, you don't stop your learning. Learning is very important to improve this language, because if you have 10% knowledge and you don't want to improve, enhance your learning, enhance your vocab, enhance your grammatical portion, so with the passage of time you little bit feel hesitation or you little bit feel problem. But the thing is that if when you will start your speaking English journey, bit by bit you feel confidence, you will feel lot of confidence in yourself. And yes, the last, if you have Hindi medium background, then you must learn some basic rule of grammar. But if you are surrounded by English environment, then you can easily speak language without grammar. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you very much.